Wilfred got that heat, bitch.
In a state of mind, like you know how to.
Hi guys, good morning. So obviously this is a weekend in the life. This is my first weekend vlog. I think I was meant to start on Friday because Friday is the beginning of the weekend, but you guys Saturday beat me. Anyway, I think it's already like 9 o'clock. I woke up early actually because they woke me up to come and make breakfast, and there's breakfast. So I'm trying to just open the noodles. This is my favorite indomie, by the way. Like, if you guys eat the chicken, I'm missing out. This is the best. So making noodles, and I'm the one making it. So yeah, I'm just gonna bring you guys along, and hopefully it just goes well. Okay.
Yeah. Girl, you got the fire burning in my heart, and I know they're tired.
Oh yes, now that I'm okay, like the onion had left my eyes. The thing was very hot. Anyway, like I said, the first thing I like to do in the morning or take in the morning is drink a cup of apple cider vinegar. I'm going to show you the measurements. I already have everything here. So I use the Carrefour natural apple cider vinegar, and I have a cup of water. Thank you. I have a cup of water and my cup, so I'm just gonna put this in. Then I use 1 tablespoon for this. There we go. Anyway, this is the mixture. Trust me, it smells horribly, but for a couple of weeks I've been drinking it. I'm already used to it, so no matter how much I do this, drinking it is the hardest part. Drinking it. So yeah, cheers. Ooh, Jesus. Whew. Anyway, I'm going back to cooking. Guys, I'm going to set you down here so I can focus on cooking. So I think you guys have seen me make noodles. I always try my noodles. I never eat any of that junk. And this is the pepper, because I forgot pepper.
Reaching for your touch, baby, turn around for me. Body on flick, you say, sparking like a diamond rings, but we can let nobody say you know. Baby, you just sneak to the room when it's not time and
Where is Carol?
You will allow Jam. Drop that food. Allow me. Drop that food. Drop that food. Drop it there. Drop it. Drop it. But allow me. Go and brush. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Why you recording us? Come on. Don't brush your mouth, Jere. I don't care. Did you brush Lano?
Did you brush Lando? If he brush, it's not going to open to pay him more.
You said what?
Let's just eat, then he'll go and brush after.
People will eat without brushing. But already, let me quickly help you. Let me help you. My word. I'll just brush it. You just pour it out. No.
Mom, she's not looking for you. She said will never go around. I cooked 13. I cooked 13. 13, no.
You know one record you give me phones. She don't say no video.
I'm doing a weekend vlog.
Okay.
She's not looking for you.
My target is to drink tea.
moon. Girl, you got me in the mood when it's time to choose.
So guys, after that very hearty breakfast, Lord is over here. Excuse the mess in the room. Lord is over here eating more plates.
I'm not eating it. I brought it for you.
Yeah, whatever. So I'm gonna see you guys here for a bit. Okay. So today's plan, I've spoken to a few of my friends and we are going out today. We're going to the grills. It's a place and they sell grilled food, you know, as the name says. So we are going we are going to go eat some grills. I'm meant to be on a diet. But
Quick. I just see this.
anyway, I'm meant to be on a diet, but that's not going very well. But I'm still trying. You know, I drink my ACV every morning. That's the first thing in the morning I drink. Then followed with a very fattening food. Anyway, this weekend's vlog is going to be fun. I can feel it in my heart. So if you're still watching up to this point, thank you for watching and continue watching. We have more things to do. It's barely 10 o'clock in the morning, is it?
It's after. It's almost 11.
Oh Jesus, it's 10:57. It's almost 11. Well, they said we should be there by 1 or 2, so I think I have to start getting ready. I just don't know what to wear, but we'll pick the clothes together and stuff. By the way, have you guys seen my hair? Don't worry, I'll show you how it looks well. But I just said it myself, I know. Okay, let's figure out our ends.
Make you know what I want to do with you. Baby, gotta keep it on down low. Baby, we should keep it on down low.
How show that my leggings is? Eh? Guys, I'm looking for my leggings. I can't find the leggings I want to wear with this top. This is the hardest part of my day, picking out what to wear. I can be here for how many minutes, and after I pick it out, I will now say no, I change my mind.
Good morning, world.
Anyway, but I know that I want to wear this one with a tie and dye shirt. I think got it from Art and Culture or something. I want to wear my leggings, but I can't find my leggings. I can't remember if I wore it. I don't think they're dirty. I wore it. Anyway, here I just was doing my morning chores, but I think want to make bread. Then how well, there are many things I have to do before I leave the house today. I'm just annoyed because it's time, but I have plenty of work to do in the house. Anyway, we'll still see each other. Guys, I can't find the leggings, so I don't know what I'm going to wear. By the way, drink your water. Drink your water. You need to drink water every time, guys. It's necessary. It's good for the skin, for your body. Plenty. Drink water. Anyway, time is 12 and I still haven't showered. This one I still haven't showered or found out I want to wear, and that's there by 1 or 2. I'm going to make bread. Can you see? There's no time at all. I'm stressed. So guys, I just finished having a shower and I want to do a face mask on my skin. But before that, look at this trouser. I'll just show you guys real quick to tell you how fat I'm getting. Wait till. Look at the jeans. Look at them. Very cute, you know. Very nice jeans that don't fit me anymore. They can't pass my thighs. Like, this is how fat I am. In case you're trying to visualize. This is my whole butt. It can't fit, and I love that jeans. That's the only boyfriend jeans I have. So I've had a shower, but I want to do my face mask. So when my face mask is drying, I'll be dressing up. because already after 1. I got lost. I was watching the Umbrella Academy, season 1, the last episode. I just had to. And I mean, if you guys watch it, what is wrong with Luther? It's not Luther's fault. Okay, we're going to just go on.
When I sleep, I dream of faces you.
So I'm done. So I'm going in with my almond oil, guys. Look at the length. Look at my almond oil. I've been mixing this thing like die. Look at this madness on my head. I told you guys I should set it myself, but it took me about 2.5 hours to get everything done. And I just blurred the front because I wanted it a little bit stretched. But I don't think I'm cutting my hair like this. I think I'm going to wear a wig. I think I'm wearing a wig. Wait, guys, I'm wearing my wig. I cannot carry those dead twists like that anyhow. So this is the same. I think I went right. So I'm ready. I'll give you guys a round view of how I look in a minute. Just here we go. As soon as I find my leggings, I'm wearing my jean. I don't know what to wear on my feet, but something is late. It's already 2 o'clock. Like, I need to get moving. I'll see you guys in the car, but when I get there or something. Bye.
Hey, we should keep it on the down low. Baby, let us keep it on the down low. Hey, party after party, you going up in my bed, time and time again.
So guys, this is Shola. Shola, say hi to the camera.
Why do you have to
Just say hi. I've been through a lot for you today.
I'm so sorry.
Hi. Okay. He's a musician, somebody.
Musician, somebody. Put the camera on my mic.
Yeah.
Let us see my mic.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. That's
This is
fine.
okay.
Good.
It's okay. Yeah, I know.
Ooh, who is this fine girl? Please let me just do a 360 for you. Yes, that's my best friend.
Stop that. You're embarrassing me.
I know. Stop that. I love you, babes. You look so good, though. I feel underdressed. Come, I'm overdressed. No,
Actually, you're
of what? Your beautiful smile.
sorry. August said that to Ella John. I've been trying it with everybody. August is the king whiner.
Don't let me slap your head. I'm doing your voice.
Gender role.
What? Are you chasing fly? Did you fly you're chasing? Okay.
This one is not on my face like it's on your face.
Come on, stay here now. I went.
Just glowing and shining
Oh,
and amazing
Sarah.
and wonderful.
Anyway, moving on.
Oh,
You
baby,
guys
check
should not
out.
distract me. This is where we're sitting now because they don't allow people to sit in.
Check out. They do shower. It's like weird. Like
You
there's
can't
no
sit. There's no
tables.
table.
I swear
Yeah.
it's like we're serving punishment or something. It's weird. Like
yeah,
this
that's
is like
cool.
how we're about to eat. Like, can we like spin this? We'll just have to like.
No, if you have power now.
I don't.
I believe in you.
Don't.
Yeah. So we're back here live with Thelma. I messed up her name. So they're about to, I don't know. This one small children stuff. They want to be swinging. Like all those movies. Just that they don't have man that's at their back. They don't have a man that's at their back that's pushing them. Say, baby.
Can I help you with my purse? Thank you.
Nah, I'm holding pause for you. Where do you take me from? Where do you take me from?
Oh my God, it's been a while.
Don't hit me, oh.
Whoa! That's the wolf. It's the wolf. You kicked the wolf. No, you kicked the wolf.
Oh my God, shit. very
Nostalgic? Yeah.
You like break it.
Each other sentences.
You break, you buy.
Very real risk right now.
no. Feels fun. It's been a while, so they can talk for the nap. Okay, there's flies everywhere. But open it now.
As in, I'm just afraid of the flies.
Trying to like.
That's the chicken.
That's so
This is the
good.
master. That should be the grasser.
Sorry, my pocket is empty.
Open that one. Open that one.
It's the meat-filled masa. Why? Because you're gonna finish their chicken in this place. Where do
And it's not even expensive.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Because no,
But I don't like
cake when I get to the house. I'll see it's cake when I get to the house. Like, and that cake is irresistible because vanilla cake is very nice.
But what do you think of it? Of the gurasa?
That's the first time eating grasser.
I'm officially becoming modernized.
Yeah, this is Zuzu. Zuzu, say hi. You're going to be my vlog.
Oh my god. Oh, you're
No,
ready?
maybe I can do like my yeah. Let me try it. This hotel is there. Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain.
Okay, no, his movie's done now. Let's see.
I'm not with the
No,
other
no,
person.
no, Alright, something you wish.
No,
I feel like a fish.
SpongeBob, ready? SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants.
I've been binging
I
SpongeBob.
like chicken.
What? Of course not.
That's on my Twitter account. My name is on my Twitter account.
I don't like chicken.
I like chicken.
Time for chicken. We've done every taste test. Remember the chicken now. Fella, the tasting everything. Oh, yeah.
You came to Abuja for NYC or?
No, baby, I was going to work. Not Wow, job.
You're getting a job.
Where?
The person work now.
Where?
I'm done.
Oh, I thought he just came.
No,
Oh no, he's
it
done
wasn't my batch. My platoon. Oh, yeah. Face test.
I'm drunk on food.
Don't put your hand. Did you know pepper in your hand? How is it?
Okay.
God bless him.
You should go inside and tell them that when we're done.
Yeah, I'm gonna take mine now.
What's this your?
Hi guys, so it's morning, Sunday. Nothing much is going on. It's going to go on today. Today is just Sunday. You're just getting ready for service. It's like 7:44 or something. So also gonna shower. I have my outfit picked out somewhere here. You guys will see it in that way later. So yeah, this is the last day of the vlog. This is the weekend vlog until Sunday. So I'll just show you guys. I'm going to edit the video I want to upload today. You guys know that that's the worst thing I can ever do, but I'm doing it. So yeah, that's all I have. I will see you guys when something else is happening.
And I feel the wish and go and I'll be at your back. I'll play to girl like the fan. If you want it all, fight until the end. You baby, you should bring it on me. Baby, you should put it on me. Baby, you should bring it from me. Lay it down, spread it from me. You know, so baby, you should bring it on me. Baby, you should put it on me. Baby, you should spread it on me. Baby, you should help it from me. You know. What I want to do is you. Baby, gotta keep it on a down low. Baby, we should keep it on a down low. When I sleep, I dream my face is you. Baby, we should keep it on a down low. Baby, let's just keep it on a down low.
I don't go call that cut from you.
One started again. She's
Mo
really
wà meeting. Mo tó pa fídíò mi tó nígbà gbà lọ́n fídíò mi.
Hi guys. Service has finished like how many hours ago? I actually forgot I was vlogging today as well. But like things have just been quiet at home. We just cooked for my uncles came, so we cooked. We had lunch. It was fun. It was like a fun family stuff, and I just completely forgot I was filming. So yeah, but now I just finished editing my video. I finished editing it, guys. I did it. I didn't know I could do it, but I said the video I'll upload today, so you guys should check it out. It's the how to moisturize your natural hair. It's for both boys and girls, applicable for both genders. So yeah, that's now I'm just on my bed, my room. Look, nothing is happening. I'm just here playing Homescapes and Township and watching the Umbrella Academy. That's it. That's the update I have. So nothing is going on. Everything is slow for now. So see ya. Hi guys. So I'm sorry that I couldn't finish the vlog for Saturday and Sunday. I just kept forgetting I was vlogging both those days. But anyway, this video I'm going to tell you, not this video, like this part, I'm going to tell you what to do to enter the giveaway I'm doing. I know I'm doing a giveaway to celebrate my 200 subscribers. I know it seems like something small, like 200 subscribers is small, but it means a lot to me. You guys are like the best. Thank you very much. So for that I want to give back basically. So I partnered up with 4 brands. We have Shop Grey Store, we have Dio Organics, we have Zuzu Scent, and we have Sarah K Concepts. These 4 companies are going to be sponsoring the giveaway that I'm doing today. So for the first prize, the first winner is going to get glasses from Shop Grey Store and a perfume oil from Zuzu Scents. Trust me, their scents, they're so beautiful and they last very long. They're all very quality and, you know, designers. Plus the glasses that we're getting from her glasses too are mad. I've gotten all my glasses I bought from her. I'm going to put some pictures on the screen of the glasses that I've gotten. But this is the glasses that will be winning. This one, it's unisex. Okay, so whoever wins masculine, I say masculine, male or female, you guys can like both wear it. Then the scent. Then we have cardio oil from Dio Organics. I've mentioned her twice or 3 times in my videos. Most of the oils I use, I got it from her. She's homemade oils. I mean, they're all homemade, they're organic, no chemicals added. And this one is mixed with avocado, coconut, and carrot oil, which can be used for your hair or skin or for consumption. They're also good for consumption. Then we also have, oh, I forgot one more. We also have car diffusers. So you can just tie them in your car, and if you have a car, or you can buy it for your parents or your boyfriend or your cousin or your sister, somebody that has a car, you can win it for them, okay? And just tie it up, and it gives this beautiful scent. It's just beautiful. Then we have cake, which is the final one, which is a very simple square cake, just to help you guys, you know, eat something. Basically, that's what we're giving for the giveaway. So those are a lot of gifts, and the ways to enter this giveaway is very simple. First of all, the fact that you're watching this video should mean that you're already subscribed to my channel. If you aren't, so you're just watching for the giveaway, subscribe. I didn't watch you, guy. Okay? And secondly, you have to follow these sponsors on Instagram. They're sponsoring the giveaway. You guys just follow them. Okay, I'll leave the link for their Instagram page in the description bar below, and the Instagram page name will be on the screen. So you follow them and follow me also. And you have to be a resident in Abuja, resident of Abuja. However way I say it, just take it like that. Then the tax is very, very simple. All you have to do is go to my YouTube channel, which you are on right now, and just go through any of my videos and make like a short screen record or like 5 seconds or 10 seconds of your favorite parts of any of my videos. Okay, then post it on your Insta story and tag me on my Instagram name. It's elma.com. You guys have to follow me too. Okay, it's on the screen. So when you post on your Insta story and you tag me, the person with the most repost wins. So you get a friend to help you repost the story that you posted on their own story, and you tag me also in that story, so I can see who is being reposted. And the thing is, if I find a winner and I realize that out of these sponsors you're not following one, you're going to be disqualified. So I think it's best to just follow them now. So the day for the giveaway. I'll mention it on my Instagram, so just make sure you're following me on my Instagram. And yeah, that's it. I wish you guys good luck. I'm so tempted to see let the games begin because I love Hunger Games, but I won't say that even though I've said it already. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share to your friends, people you think will also be interested in this gift. And let the games begin. Peace.